So it's a project that's currently hosting an airdrop. And to be honest with you guys, we are not too early, but at the same time, we are not too late. My bad. Anyways, they've managed to raise over $300 million.
Nice.
And one of the best parts is they're literally in a niche with billions upon billions of fans and supporters. So, you know, this particular one is going to be very huge.
Easy to farm, straightforward. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how to set up your accounts and begin farming these balls points, because that's what it's called, balls. Of course, if you use the link down below in the description, you're going to be getting a little bit of a bonus. Plus, you're going to be supporting the channel hugely. So yeah, use that link. And without any further ado, let's get this on the road.
Alright, so first things first, first of all, you have to go over to Google Play Store to download the Mrs. Browser, as you can see over here. That's for mobile. But for PC or computers, you don't actually need any special browsers. You can just directly use Chrome. But for mobile users like myself right now, go over to download the Mrs. Browser. And then, of course, the next thing you need to do is to open it up and then come over to this extension symbol. You can come over there and then you get your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have your MetaMask wallet over there, you can simply come over to Mrs. Browser and search for MetaMask extension, like I'm doing right now. I can just search for MetaMask extension, MetaMask Chrome extension. You can search for that, and then you download the MetaMask extension, and then you set it up. Alright, so I'd assume you've actually set up your MetaMask wallet and all that stuff. If you don't know how to do it, you can simply go ahead to search on YouTube how to set up MetaMask wallet on Mrs. Browser, or you can look at my older videos. I actually did it step by step over there. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is to come over to Telegram or use the link down below in the description box, copy that link and then follow my lead, right? But for now, let's just use Telegram and then search for Money Naija right now. We're going to be changing the name of the channel very soon, so it's not going to be this anymore. But yeah, you get the point. So you can come over here to click on search and then you search for OneFootball, right? OneFootball. And let's just search for that. Just click on the search button and it's going to take us to the first post where I posted about OneFootball, which is since February 26th. So the next thing we want to do right now is to copy this link. Just copy the link and then go over to Mrs. Browser to paste it over here. And so that brings us to their website right now. You can see we are on their website right now. Currently they are in season 2. You can see it's S2, but we can actually claim some balls right here, and we can claim over 5 balls every single day as a daily login for absolutely free. You can see you can also do some quizzes over here, quiz 1, quiz 2, and so many others like this. You can connect X accounts to follow, share posts and all that stuff to earn easy balls for yourself, so you can actually get yourself on the airdrop, right? But first things first, you need to actually connect your necessary accounts. But the first thing you need to actually connect is your MetaMask. This is where the MetaMask comes into play. This is where it comes into significance. So click on sign in. Because you're creating an account for the first time, you're going to want to use MetaMask, right? So I'm just going to be clicking on MetaMask. Alright, so this is actually what propped up for us. You can see our wallet right now is connected to OneFootball. You can simply click on it and we can see that it's actually connected. You can see there's a disconnect button at the bottom over here, meaning it is connected currently. But you know, there's some kind of network issues right now. It's the same, we should retry and all that stuff. That is still connecting. Alright guys, so this is future me, and as you guys can see how it actually looks like on PC. You guys can see that I actually have about 1,615 balls, and this is my wallet, right? Remember that place we could not see, that's referrals, and this is my referral link, by the way. Use it to join. Okay, so we could not see the referrals, and also we could not see the leaderboard due to the simple fact that we could not connect our wallets because of network issues. So this is exactly what it looks like once you connect your wallet and all that. So you can see daily check-in. I've been checking in. I also referred a little bit of friends, I believe 1 or 2 friends, and this is just basically how it goes, right? The activity, let me just claim my daily check-in bonus right now in front of you guys. If I go down here, you guys are gonna see this is my daily check-in. Let me just try to scroll up. This is my daily check-in, right? So if I click on it, it's going to say let's go, and it will ask me to verify. I'm just going to click on it again, and boom, you can see it's no longer 1,600 15. It's now 1620. So this is just how you do it. Do all these tasks over here. Very simple. A lot of them are just Twitter tasks. Follow this, follow that. X, you can see it. If I click on it, let's see where it will redirect me. So this is just basically what it's all about. Just follow them on X, do all these social tasks and all that stuff. It will redirect me to my X account. I can just This is the X account I use for farming, right? I can just follow OneFootball over here. Just click on follow. You don't even need to follow. You can see that I already passed the task without even following the first time, right? So I can just click on that, then go back, and I can also refresh. Let's see if I can go back, or just come over here back and then refresh it. And whatever you did, or any task you did, it should be refreshed now and show that you actually did it and reward you with your points. So this is just basically what I want to share with you guys straight very quickly. So yeah, back to the video. If you have any questions or whatever, thoughts, opinions, leave them down below in the comment section. And if you actually gain value from this particular video, leave me a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. If you want me to clarify anything further, leave that comment down below as well. And you can also talk to me on Telegram. I'm going to also further go down the drain, trying to show you guys exactly step by step, basically holding your hands, showing you how to do this stuff. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.